Hello, I'm Barb Gibson, an experienced yoga teacher and certified yoga therapist. I have taught yoga since 1999 and practiced yoga for 27 years. My early years of yoga practice focused on using yoga to calm the mind and strengthen the body. In my late teens, I suffered from severe anxiety, and yoga immediately helped me so that I could better function in life. I felt grounded and calmer in my body and mind, and I was learning how to befriend and empower myself. The more I practiced, the more I shifted, helping me be more stable and confident. I started teaching to share yoga, and later that year, I was involved in a car accident, sustaining life-changing injuries, including a traumatic brain injury, extensive neck and shoulder injuries, and post-traumatic stress disorder. I could not practice as I did before, but I was encouraged to explore other yoga techniques to help me manage and recover from my injuries, leading me to pursue yoga therapy and individualized yoga. Since then, I have focused my practice and teaching within the Vinyasa lineage, earning my 200-hour certification in 2007, my 500-hour certification in 2009. I became a certified yoga therapist through the American Vinyasa Institute in 2013 and recognized as a certified yoga therapist, or a C-IAYT, through the International Association of Yoga Therapists in 2016. In 2014, I was diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. I used my practice in conjunction with working with a functional MD to help me cope with and manage my symptoms. I learned the power of being with what is in front of me, even when it is uncertain, and I learned how to give myself what I needed in the moment, as symptoms can shift rapidly. Most notably, I learned how to use my yoga practice to create spaces of improved functioning, wellness, joy, and meaning despite living with a chronic illness. I greatly draw from both classical yoga philosophy and techniques gained from my extensive yoga training, as well as from my own experiences with yoga in my work. I was trained and worked as a research scientist for 16 years, allowing me to stay up to date with current research in yoga therapy. Most of my work with yoga therapy clients is with structural and psycho-emotional conditions, such as chronic low back pain, neck and shoulder pain, upper back discomfort, hip and sacral imbalance and pain, stress management, anxiety and depression, as well as with chronic illness. Through this series of videos, you will participate using various yoga techniques such as asana, movements in and out of postures, pranayama or breath practices, meditation, and contemplative practices to help you gain better understanding of how to help yourself and your patients with specific conditions. I very much believe in the power of yoga to help us live more full and productive lives by its strong influence on our bodies, minds, emotions, and perspectives. My greatest intention as a yoga therapist is to help others learn how to help themselves with whatever they are facing in life, becoming strong advocates for their health, finding greater ease, confidence, and well-being. I'm so honored to be able to share my knowledge and passion of yoga with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to our time together.